Michael, are you eating your first cracker today? Michael, is that your first baby cracker? Is that your first baby cracker? Do you like it? No, you can't put that whole bit in your mouth. Here, there you go. There you go. Mmm. Mmm. Is that good? Is it dissolving in your mouth? Oh, you're a big boy. You're okay. Interesting, isn't it? It's different. There's another piece there in your hand. Yeah, you're gonna put that in your mouth? Or do you want to put... Michael, do you want to put this one in your mouth? Michael. Over this way. Do, 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 do. Here. Here. What's in there? There's a little bit more cracker right there. Look, put that. Here. Michael. What's that? There you go. Put that in your mouth. Michael, are you eating a cracker? Oh, you just took a little chunk off. Michael. Michael, are you... Oh, where's your cracker? Where's your cracker?